1939 Rolls-Royce Wraith Sedanka DeVille. Price: 31,500 yen. Location: Hawaii, United States. The Ijo Senji Rolls-Royce Wraith Sedanka DeVille stands as one of the most extraordinary luxury automobiles ever created before the outbreak of World War II. Built during the final chapter of pre-war Rolls-Royce production, this rare masterpiece represents an era when craftsmanship, elegance, and prestige were valued above all else. Today, surviving examples are exceptionally scarce, making every discovery a significant event for collectors around the world. The first thing that captures attention is its stunning coachwork by the legendary J. Gurney Nutting. Known for creating some of the most elegant bodies ever fitted to Rolls-Royce chassis, Gurney Nutting transformed the Wraith into a rolling work of art. The graceful fenders, commanding grille, flowing body lines, and distinctive Sedanka DeVille configuration create a presence that modern luxury cars simply cannot replicate. This is not just transportation, it is automotive royalty. The Sedanka DeVille body style was designed to offer a unique experience. The chauffeur enjoyed open-air motoring under a retractable roof section, while rear passengers traveled beneath a fixed and luxurious enclosed cabin. This arrangement was favored by aristocrats, industrialists, and wealthy families who wanted the ultimate combination of privacy and prestige. Every journey became a grand occasion, whether arriving at a country estate or cruising through city streets. The medium gray exterior perfectly complements the cream-colored interior, creating a timeless color combination that highlights the vehicle's sophisticated character. Rich wood trim decorates the cabin, while thoughtful luxury touches include rear picnic tables, spacious seating, and elegant, period-correct details. Looking inside this Rolls-Royce feels like stepping back into a golden age when automobiles were handcrafted with unmatched attention to detail. The powertrain is equally fascinating. Under the long hood sits an impressive inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The mechanical package reflects the engineering philosophy of Rolls-Royce during the late 1930s: smooth, refined, and built to last. Additional features such as drum brakes, chrome bumpers, black wire wheels, Firestone tires, and dual side-mounted spare wheels complete the authentic appearance of this magnificent automobile. The California heritage of this Wraith adds another layer of desirability. Retaining its black California license plates, the car carries a unique connection to the American West Coast, where classic luxury automobiles have long enjoyed favorable climates and passionate collectors. Every detail tells a story, from the handcrafted bodywork to the historical touches that have survived for nearly 9 decades.